To reset the BIOS password on a HP Compaq nx9005, the first thing you need to do is download some software. You need to go to Dogbit's website at dogba1.blogspot.com. Once you're there, scroll down and on the right hand side we're looking at the blog archive and we're going back to 2009, so click on the little triangle. You need to go to May, and then we need to click on the BIOS password backdoors in laptops. Scroll down and you'll see just here it's telling you that on some HP Compaq laptops you need to press F2 or the F12 key on the third attempt of an invalid password, which in this case is true. And the little program we need is this one here. If you've got Python installed, I think it's Python version 2, you can use this. If not, you're going to need the Windows binary, so download that. There we go. Once that's downloaded, extract it, run the program, and you'll get this. Now that we've downloaded the software, the next thing we need to do is power the laptop on, get ready to press F2 to try and enter the BIOS. There we go. What we need to do now is enter the password incorrectly. Then you have to enter the password incorrectly a second time. Don't get trigger happy here. Now, before you enter it incorrectly for the third time, press the F12 key. Oh look! You get system hash code come up of 16128. So what we need to do now is go back to the software that we've just downloaded. After you've extracted it and run it, and you get this window, you need to enter that number of 16128, press enter and let it do its stuff. There we go, we're looking for the HP Compaq Phoenix BIOS, so SOYYTE. I'm just going to write that down. Go back to the BIOS and type in SOYYTE, press enter. Well look, we're in the BIOS. Don't go anywhere without changing the password. Even if you change it to blank, change the password. So we're going to set the user password, I'll leave that as blank, and then go to the administrator password and to current password. I think I'm going to need SOYYTE. There we go. Now I'm going to press F10 to save and exit. And just to prove it works, let's power it on. Get ready to press F2. There we go. No password. Lovely jubbly. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed the video or found it useful. And don't forget, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, click on subscribe. See you next time.